Time now for an in-depth look at the market news this afternoon. And for that, I'm joined on the line by Dr. Soo-young, Professor of Economics at Chung-Ang University. Professor Song, thank you for making time today.
Yeah, good to see you again.
So Apple is saying it's not going to be able to meet its revenue expectations because of the coronavirus. U.S. stocks were down a bit Tuesday. What's the story in the global markets and here in Korea?
Yeah, particularly in East Asia, the impact of coronavirus 19 could drag on longer than expected because of the slowdown of production recovery in China. And particularly among the semiconductor industry, including Apple, Intel, Qualcomm, who has manufacturing sites on the soil of China, they have suffered so much in terms of stock price slide. But ironically, the Nasdaq has gained a little bit. So I think the market looks hoarding cash and prepared for the sudden and strong recovery of the economy.
Well, some Korean companies, as you referenced the slowdown in production in China, they may find themselves in big trouble because of the impact on their supplies. President Moon has declared an economic emergency in Korea, in fact. What needs to be done here?
Yeah, I think this fiscal stimulus policy looks indispensable, and the accommodative monetary policies should be ready to be deployed if necessary. But within the domestic economy, actually, the small and medium enterprise should be hit most severely because of the contracted demand, and the temporary setback cannot be avoided because of the sluggish recovery of the consumption. Therefore, the government should continue the current position.
They are rolling out measures in many different areas to help small businesses, the self-employed, and others. But now, on another note, we see gold as a safe haven. It's risen for the first time in 7 years to $1,600 an ounce. Tell us about that, other safe havens perhaps, and where you think gold is going.
Yeah, I believe that gold should not be considered as a safe quality asset because its price is too much volatile. According to the KITCO, the gold price provider has shown that the 1 year price change of the gold is almost a 32.89 percentage point. Simply, it's too volatile. Therefore, gold should be regarded as a temporary shelter, particularly as a substitute for a U.S. dollar currency. But people should not rely too much on the gold because simply it's very similar to the Bitcoin. Therefore, gold, as long as all the currency has suffered and all the economy has hit by the coronavirus, gold could be a substitute. But otherwise, gold should be treated with a caution, and we need a cautious approach to the gold.
Yeah, it seems like any stability in gold you only really see over very long periods of time.
Actually, gold, even though the gold has, according to the data, is very volatile, therefore shouldn't be considered as a safe asset. Relatively, gold is like an insurance. Always, when the global economy suffered, then the gold price is increased. So therefore, unless we have faced such as economic crisis, such as in 2008, then just use the gold as a temporary shelter.
So if things clear up on the coronavirus, it could come right back down.
Right.
All right, Professor Song. We'll have to leave it there for now. Thanks for sharing your insights with us today.
Yeah, thank you.